This is a re-upload of a video from 2021. Half this video got copyright claim on a royalty-free song that wasn't supposed to be royalty-free, but something changed, I don't know. So I removed all that, so I cut all that out, and now we have this video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you haven't seen it yet, I'm excited for wintertime. I do plan on rebuilding this custom snow bike someday. Make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for that, and I hope you guys enjoy.
Oh, there's a creek there. Huh? There's a creek there.
I was hoping I could float up over it. I knew it was here. It didn't work out that way.
Oh.
But I didn't want to stop either, as deep as this snow is. I slid forward and broke my choke lever off my knee.
Oh, I was gonna say, did you go over?
No, I didn't hit it that hard.
Oh. Yeah, I think the best bet's to go through this way.
But the front is just stabbed right into the bank.
Oh. We can't.
It's pretty steep.
Yeah.
It's deceiving.
I was wondering, we were like, where did Jacob go?
I thought he was turning around to come back, and then he was just... I was going to go up through there. I might be able to do something there.
Maybe.
I'm gonna try. Once I can breathe again. Oh, I just stayed on it. Last I knew you were facing the road and it looked like you were turning around. Well, I came back up over this hill. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna go up through there. But there's a washout.
Hey, he rose and took over. Yeah.
Thanks for the assistance.
Yeah. Whoa, shoot. That's deep down there. Oh!
It looks that way, don't it?
Ah, it's pushing me down.
Who are those people?
I don't know.
I thought maybe you invited some people.
No, they're probably just locals.
I jumped it.
Did you?
Yeah.
Nice.
I got more air than I was anticipating. I hit it a little fast.
I don't have any top end.
What?
I don't got any top end.
You don't?
Uh-uh. Rev it out and it starts going. Uh-oh. I'm hoping it's old fuel.
Pops you up pretty good over that.
Yeah.
You get over it, the back goes whoop.
Go over the steep ones. Those are really fun. You gotta go fast though. That's where I tipped the Indy. A tree
You like stuck it like this.
Well, the tree limb was buried under there and it just stopped me in my tracks.
Yeah, I hit that one right after you a little bit harder than I wanted on the little 340.
Follow me up through there. I mean, I didn't hit it that hard. It was my test shot, you know.
I hit it hard the first time.
I mean, you gotta hit it with a fair amount of momentum if you want to get up over that and not get stuck. It probably feels worse than that because the suspension sucks in that thing.
Probably.
Yeah, it's a little bumpy.
Like one pull, she fires up though.
It runs like a champ. The sea foam's probably helping quite a bit too.
Oh,
I hope so.
You might need some. Throw some sea foam in there.
Alright, so the snow bike's kind of down right now. The frame just needs totally rebuilt. So, probably done for a while.
You had a good half a season
It was
though.
a good half a season. It just needs tubing. It needs a tubing frame in the front part of it. Alright, so this is gonna be the end of the video. The sledding rope thing idea was a semi kind of good success. I told Wyatt that he needed to go faster and that made it a lot better. The slack on the rope stayed tight most of the time and it's kind of like, it was like tubing in the water. That's what it felt like. Well, thanks to Jacob for his sled. Skidoo 600. Had a minor issue, followed plug, but so far it's the new plugs.
More aerodynamic without the windshield too.
Oh yeah.
The new trailing arms makes a big difference.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, follow Wyatt on Instagram. I have a second channel. The link will be down below if you want to subscribe to that. And I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, what could go wrong?
A lot. That's when I put the video of you being pulled backwards.
There you go.
That was so funny.
Bloopers.
I seen that rope go, like, Wyatt, you better move that sled. And all of a sudden, it twisted you like a 720. You just went around like 3 times, and then you just went backwards.
Well, it caught and went under the sled.
Yeah.
If I could keep it tight, it would just sit and spin in the circle, but I couldn't.
Well, that's why I'm around, you know, keep the bloopers going.
That was funny. I was flying the drone, so you couldn't hear me laughing. But when we first just took off, I was cracking up too.
Good deal.